I have spent significant time and effort for creating many useful ebooks and courses. I am selling those ebooks and courses from my website rajamanikam.com. It is a Gumroad based website. Gumroad is providing a feature for running bundle offer. Currently, I am running this bundle offer so that you can get 14 ebooks and 2 courses as a bundle for a very low price. The actual price may vary based on the country because of the purchasing power parity. So just visit this bundle page and check the price in your country. Note that it is a limited time offer. That means I will be ending this offer at any time. So just make sure that you are using this offer when it is available. You can go through the details of each ebook and course just by clicking the respective link. But make sure that you are actually making the purchase from this bundle page, unless you want to buy only one single ebook. So the first one is about Power App. It is for Microsoft automation. It is a low code, no code platform. If you want to learn about that, this ebook will be very useful. It is a very new ebook. And similarly, RAG, Retrieval Augmented Generation. We know that the LLMs like ChatGPT and Gemini are very powerful in giving answers for our questions, but they lack the feature of handling external data. So in that case, RAG plays a very important role. So if you want to learn about RAG and becoming an AI developer specialized in RAG, this ebook will give you a basic introduction. But if you want to learn in detail, maybe you can contact me for one-on-one coaching. This ebook is for mastering SQL. So SQL is playing very important role from the development perspective, as well as because of this data analytics other things. So I thought of releasing this SQL book also, and I added a lot of chapters related to AI involving with the SQL. Okay. So this ebook, Unlocking AI, this one also a new ebook. It will be very useful for understanding the AI as a beginner. So this ebook, next one, Mastering Snowflake. Snowflake is a famous data warehousing system. I believe there is a huge demand for the Snowflake developers as of now. So in that case, if you are looking for a career change, you may consider learning Snowflake. This one also relatively new ebook. This dream book, motivational book, I released 1 year back, and this Mastering Art of Talking to AI, this one also I released 1 year back. It will be giving the details about prompt engineering. And the course, this course is a very latest one. A few days back only I released this course, and this AI insights into the Bible. Even I set the price as 0. Suppose if you want to get it individually, you can freely download this ebook. Okay. Similarly, this and from web development also. This course I created 1 year back, but I believe still it will be useful in some perspective. So in this ebook, I shared all my experiences of earning money online as a freelancer, YouTuber, like that. Okay. And this Unlocking Google Gemini, this one also I released 1 year back. Okay. So I am not sure whether it will be relevant this day. You can freely also download it, but still it's having some useful content. So I thought of including it in the bundle. So this ebook, Software Testing and QTP Automation, I released this ebook around 15 years back, but the software testing section is still relevant. Okay, so that is why I included here. But QTP Automation, the tool got changed drastically. So this one I shared my experiences of running YouTube channel. Okay, if you want, you can freely download this one also. Suppose if you don't want to use this bundle offer, but still want to read this ebook, you can just freely download it. Okay, this is audio book for the dream book ebook. Okay, this Emerging Technologies for Profit, I think it's a very important ebook, but I created 1 year back. It's not well organized as of now, but it is very informative. I was running my YouTube channel for many years for giving emerging technologies in news, right? So based on all the details, I used to go through a lot of research papers and a lot of publications. Okay, so based on that, I used to create videos. From that experience, I just try to create this ebook. It is very much informative, but I need to improve a lot whenever I have time. But as of now, just it's like a very raw kind of ebook. This motivational quotes collection, it's just a quotes collection. It is one chapter from Dreambook ebook. I provided it separately and I am offering it as a free download also. Okay. So just to go through the details by clicking the links, you can see the chapters details. Okay. And mostly all the ebooks are available at Amazon also. Suppose if you want to get the paperback version, you can buy from there also. And for viewing preview also, that Amazon preview will be useful. Okay. If you have any questions, you can ask me. And if you are planning to share this bundle offer details with other people, just make sure that you are telling about the limited time offer. Okay, to avoid any kind of disappointments. Okay, thanks.